Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you some of the best offers which we got in the May month. So before going to the video, please just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So before going to the video, all the offers are account specific offers. You may get some changes in the offers, and for some prime users there are some separate offers. So now let's get into the topic. First of all, open your Amazon app. So before opening the app, make sure that your app is up to date. So once you update, so go to the Amazon page. So here you will be getting a banner called get rewards up to 350 rupees. Just click on it. So as you can see here, there is an exclusive offer with the Amazon Pay UPI. So here the first offer is recharge and bill payment. So this offer, when you do the recharge of minimum of 100 rupees or 50 rupees. So here as you can see here, when you do mobile or DTH recharge of 50, minimum of 50, you will be getting the cashback of 50 rupees. If you do the 30 rupees of recharge, you will be getting the 30 rupees of cashback. So you can do 50 rupees so that you will can collect complete offer. And the bill payment also same friends. If you pay the 50 rupees, you will be getting the maximum cashback is 50. If you pay the 200 also, you will be getting the 50 rupees of cashback. And the next offer is money transfer. You can earn up to 100 rupees every day. So as you can see here, you can send money to your friends and you can earn the money. So get 100 up to 100 friends. So no minimum of transfer value. So you can transfer even 1 rupee to avail this offer. You will be based on luck, you will get this offer. So you can transfer to any UPI ID or Amazon Pay accounts to your friends. So another offer is scan and pay. So scan and pay also same friends. You can do minimum of 1 rupee transfer. You will be getting up to 100 rupees. Up to friends, not flat 100. Up to you may get 1 rupee, 2 rupee, anything you will get. Maximum cashback is 100 rupees and the validity is 1st to 7th. So every day you can do this offer. Every day you can do one transaction friends. So as you can see here, they mentioned all the terms and conditions, so you can read it. So and the fourth offer is load money. So when you load the 250 rupees of money in Amazon Pay balance, so you will be getting the flat 50 rupees friends. So this offer is once per user and the validity for this is 7th May. So as you can see here, all the offers is valid only for using with the Amazon Pay UPI. Note this point friends. And if you do payment with the Amazon Pay balance, you will be won't getting the cashback. So you should do only with the Amazon Pay, and you can the validity of this offer are 7th. So and the next offer sir, so you can go to the your reward section. So as you can see here, there is an offer for the Jio user. So get 10% cashback up to 50 rupees. You will be getting the 50 rupees of cashback of minimum of recharge of 300. So here you should not do directly from the app. You should go to the using with the Jio app. When you are doing the payment, you should enter the Amazon UPI ID. So you should do payment with the Amazon UPI ID. So once you're done with this, you will be getting the 10% of cashback of 50 rupees. If you are doing the 498 packs and all, this is the best offer for you. So and 1 mg offer also is there. So the minimum order is 100 rupees. You will be getting the cashback of 20 to 300 rupees. So make sure that before doing any offer, so just tap and collect. So if you do not collect these offers, you won't eligible for the cashbacks. So let's see another offer. So there are many offers. So this all offers for only for the prime numbers. So as you can see here, if you have DTH connection, if you are the prime member, this offer is available for you. And here you will be getting a 50 rupees of cashback for the 100%. If you do 50 rupees minimum recharge, you can get the 50 rupees cashback. So if you do 200, 300 also, you will be getting a 50 rupees of cashback. And landline also for same 50 rupees valid for first transaction of the month. So and also for the Airtel postpaid also. So there are lots of offers here. So as you can see here, other offers also available. Domino's, you will be getting the 50 rupees, up to 50 rupees, means if you order minimum of 50 rupees pizza, you will be getting 50 rupees. If you order 100 rupees also, you will be getting maximum cashback of 50 rupees. So as you can, and also Vodafone offer is there, so you will be getting the 100% cashback of 50 rupees. So these all the offers are available. So here make sure that you will collect all the offers before doing any payment. So if you won't collect these offers, you won't be eligible for the offer. So as you can see here, just tap and collect, so that and the gas also you will be getting the 50 rupees. So just collect it. So Vodafone one. So and also in your reward section there is an donation section, friend. So here the Amazon will be contributing 21 rupees and additional of 10% of your donation. So for example, if you done 100 rupees of donation, Amazon will add 21 rupees plus 10 rupees for your amount. So commonly it will add 21 rupees, and the amount which you donated, that 10% amount will be added, and it will be donated to the PM Care Fund. So if you have interested, you can donate with the Amazon Pay, so that they will be getting more funds from here. And the next offer is from the Paytm, friends. In the Paytm, you will be getting the offer for the Vodafone. So let's see. So just scroll down and click on the cashback and recharge and bill payment. As you can see here, Vodafone and Idea, do 5 recharges and get flat 40 rupees cashback. If you do 5 recharges, you will be getting a flat of 40 rupees cashback, and also you will be getting a subscription recharge, get 4% of 500 up to 500. So after these 5 transactions, if you recharge for any mobile, you will be getting a 4% from each recharge. So that's all for this video, friends. If you like this video, so here you should activate this offer, don't forget. So that's all for this video, friends. So if you like this video, please do share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.